This is our fully automatic cylinder body welding machine. We are using MIG welding machine. Compared with traditional submerged arc welding machine, we use the welding wire diameter is only 1.2 millimeters, and we also only need to weld one circle. It will definitely help you save the labor cost, raw material, and also energy. Normally, we need the spot welding machine, but why our machine do not need the spot welding machine? Because after loading the cylinders, we will have the automatic positioning device to confirm the location of the cylinders.